Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to my little corner in the little man cave. Today in this video I'm going to introduce some of the DJI Mavic Air 2 or Mavic Air 2S drone accessories that I have got sitting right here. First off, check this out. Yes, how cool the DJI Mavic Air 2 is looking now, and together with the radio. So this is unfolding, this is how it will fly, and the radio, the battery, so the sticker combo comes for the whole, fly more combo. You have 3 batteries of stickers, okay? A sticker for your drone, Mavic Air 2 or Air 2S, and the radio. Radio actually looks cool, man. I like it. I like this scheme. In fact, the cartoonish doggy there saying boom. Well, I don't want to do boom on my drone, So the stickers come in the bag just like this, and I believe installing them should be an easy job. Very nice bag, actually. I can reuse it for some purposes. It seems like there are already cuts on these stickers, so I hope that it should be easier to put. Then we also have dry and wet wipes. This is how they came. Let's try to install them on DJI Mavic Air 2. Now, I'm really not good at the sticker jobs. You know me very well. Throughout my RC career, I have never been so good with the sticker jobs. But this is what I could do for the best of my skills. We have 3 batteries of stickers, okay? So this is for 3, like full combo of your DJI Mavic Air 2 or Mavic Air 2S. So 3 batteries, and then we have this on the Mavic Air 2, and the radio is actually looking cool. The easiest part was to install the radio sticker. So looking cool, and the only question is it going to stay permanently on your DJI Mavic Air 2? Because I'm not worried about the sticker on the radio. I'm worried about the sticker on the drone itself, because if the sticker starts coming off, and it just comes off during flight because of the air wash from the propellers and gets stuck in the propeller, your beloved Mavic Air 2 or Mavic Air 2S, boom, and definitely you don't want that. So I'll see how things are going before flight. Before each flight, I'll check the stickers double time and make sure they are not coming off, and we'll keep you updated how it goes. Go ahead and check out the link in video description, and you can order the available stickers according to your own choice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a big thumb up and stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications.